Think you know Japan? Let's dive in. 60 seconds on the clock.
First up, bowing. It's how you greet, thank, and even apologize. Yes, bowing back is a good idea. And hey, don't hold back on those noodles. Slurping is a compliment to the chef. Shoes off at the door, no exceptions. Whether it's a house or a traditional restaurant, keep it clean. Japan loves cash. Credit cards aren't as common as you'd think. Stock up on yen. Vending machines are everywhere, selling drinks, ramen, and even souvenirs. Japan's got it all, 24/7. Trains are quiet zones. Talking on the phone? A definite no-go. Embrace the calm. Onsen hot springs are amazing, but follow the rules. Wash first and no swimsuits allowed. Tipping? Forget it. Just say thank you. Tipping's considered rude here. Trash cans are rare, so keep your trash with you till you find one. Cleanliness is king. And finally, trains run like clockwork. If it says 3:17, it's 3:17. Don't be late. Now you know Japan. Ready to go? Follow for more 60-second travel guides.